Hi dear students, welcome to our next class. In last class, you learnt about different parts of our body and what are the different internal organs, where they are located, you learnt. And in today's class, you are going to learn about the functions of internal organs. What are the different functions internal organs are doing in our body? You're going to learn in today's class. Before knowing that, we'll see the new word in this lesson, that is digest, digest. So you learn the meaning of digest.
Digest. Breaking down food into simple forms.
So breaking down of the food into simple form, and that means the digestion. So in the same way, we'll do one small activity. This activity, you guess the organ which is helping in doing this particular function. So the first one, you see what happens to the food we eat. What is happening to the food after eating? It's getting digest. So complex food change into like simple food. That's what you had seen in just now, the meaning of digest you learned. And the second one, what happens to the water you drink? Water is used up by the body and excess water goes to kidneys. There, in the form of urine, this excess water is sent out from the body. And which organ helps in breathing in and out the air? You know very well those are nothing but your lungs are helping to breathe in and out. And which organ helps you to think? Yes, which organs are helping you to think? You know that as our yesterday's class, you can answer this. Our brain is helping. And which organ pumps the blood continuously? That's also, that is none other than your heart is helping to pump the blood. Yes? So, which organs help to do the actions written on the paper slips? When anything, the questions when I am showing which organ is helping to analyze and to give the answer, which organ is helping you? Obviously, that is your brain. So, the brain is helping us to know, and your stomach is helping to digest the food, and our lungs are helping to breathe in and out. We are taking air because of our lungs, and our brain helps to think and to memorize the things, and our heart is helping to pump the blood throughout the body. Yes? So, these all, now you are able to identify the functions of some internal organs. Why does our body need different internal organs? Why we should have all these organs? Because different organs in our body perform different functions. We need n number of functions to continue in our body. The brain helps us to think and to remember the things, and it also controls the working of other organs. So it is the master of all organs. See how in your classes how the class leader controls all other students when your class ma'am is not in the class. And in the same way, the brain is helping, the brain is working to control all other organs, and it is helping you to think, to remember. After 2 years, when you meet your friend, then immediately you can recognize even your childhood friend. After seeing many years, you are able to recognize and you can recollect his name. That is because of your brain. Okay, so it's helping you to think, and it's helping you when your ma'am gives any numerical sums, any question which is related to the brain. When I ask, you are able to give the answer because of your brain. So it's helping you to think and to remember the things, right? And the heart is pumping blood. how when you are in your home to get the water in all your pipes which are connected to the motor. Just when you on a switch, that means from all the pipes you will get the water. Same way, the heart is just like a main pipe. Main pump, when you turn the wall, how it is supplying the water to remaining all the pipes. Same way your heart is pumping blood to all parts of the body, and also it is helping to take air, oxygen, that is air which we are breathing, which where our lungs are helping to breathe air in and out. In that function, oxygen is present in the air, that is also needed to each and every part of our body. That is done by blood. Our blood is carrying oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body, and the blood is pumped by the heart. That's why very very important internal organ. And our lungs are helping to breathe, and our stomach is digesting the food. Our stomach and liver helping for the digestion. Yes, and your kidneys are helping to remove the waste from the blood in the form of urine. So you are getting urine. Oftenly you will visit the washroom because your urinary bladder, you are getting the urine because of your kidneys. Kidneys are removing the waste from blood, and they are sending excess water and waste in the form of urine. Understood? Now, what will happen if organs like the lungs do not function properly or stop working? What happens when they are not working properly? You know very well. If lungs do not work properly, we will get all health problems. Many health problems we'll face related to breathing, related to lungs. If any major organ of our body like brain, heart, lungs stop working, and then we will die. There is no other way. When our internal organs are not working properly, definitely we face the health problems and finally leads to the death of the person. Yes, children. So now you might have understood very clearly the functions of different internal organs of our body. And now we will see what are the questions given in the worksheet. So here you just need to identify which are the internal organs and which are the external organs. The organs which can be seen from outside are external, and the organs which we cannot see with our eyes, which are inside our body, are internal organs. So you tell me now, your ears are internal or external? Ears are the internal or external? Are you able to see the ears? Yes, so they are external. And our lungs, are you able to see the lungs? No, so they are internal. In this way, you just fill up all this, read the organ name, and identify whether they are external or internal. That's your work, children. And the next one is write the function of each internal organ. So just now I told you which internal organ, what function they are doing. So this is the identify this organ. This is obviously it is heart. So what's the function of your heart? You know very well. It's helping to pump the blood. It's helping to pump the blood. So here just a clue I am giving. The remaining complete answer you have to fill it up. And the next internal organ you find out and write one of its important function. And the same way the other internal organ you just find out this internal organ and write its name here. You can use your content book while writing these answers. And the next one, what will happen if a person's kidneys do not work properly? You know that just now I told you when the internal organs are not working properly, it may lead to the death of the person. The person will die. First, he will face health problems and then the person will die. Okay, children? So, these answers write by your own. You can write all these answers by using your content book. And we will see now what are the practice questions given in this 6.2 worksheet. And this is from your content book. Just below the 6.2 these practice questions are there. Now we will once see the true or false and we'll find out answers for these questions. First one, the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body, isn't it? Is it a true statement or false? Yes, you know very well. So it is true. You just fill up. I'm just helping here. Write by your own. And the next one, the kidneys help to digest the food. Are the kidneys helping to digest the food? Okay, so you know the answer and then write here. And the next one, write one function of each of these organs. So, what's the function of stomach? Digest the food. Kidneys, remove waste from the food. And lungs help to breathe. So, one function, write neatly in your classwork, children. And the next one, Gia's kidneys are not working properly. Which function of the body will be affected? So, kidneys are helping to remove waste from the blood. So, when kidneys are not working properly, the waste cannot be removed from the blood so that the person will get the health problems and finally there is a chance for death of that person. The person will die. So write this second and third answers in your notebook, children. And the true or false you can complete in your content book, whereas second one and third one neatly write in your classwork. And in tomorrow's class, we'll meet with the another topic which is related with our body. It's so interesting to know. So I know that you all are going to wait eagerly. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.